being in this office, being able to do same-day crowns is absolutely amazing. You don't have to do the provisional. They don't have to come back a second time. You come out with a new tooth. It's perfect. When you have a very big filling, you get a lot of shrinkage and marginal leakage, which can cause recurrent decay. The inlays, onlays crowns provide a better seal so that cavities cannot invade and start recurrent decay. The unique technology that we have here is the CEREC machine, where we're able to prepare the tooth as needed, remove the cavities, scan the tooth in the mouth, three-dimensionally look at what we scanned, and design the inlay, onlay, or crown through that machine. From there, you can mill within about 20 to 30 minutes, and by that time, it's all ready to go. We just cement it in the mouth, and they will leave same day with that inlay, onlay, or crown. As a dentist, we want to provide the best patient care. We know here and we are confident that you will get the treatment that your tooth needs.